What happens if you burn 400 calories every day? Just 5 minutes daily, and your body starts melting fat, boosting energy, and transforming fast. No gym, no equipment, only you versus you. Let's burn 400 calories right now, and see real results in just 7 days. First exercise.
Jumping jacks.
The final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following the light that sets me
Next exercise.
Fake rope jump.
final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following
Buen toma más de
Next exercise.
Squats jump.
staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following the
Next exercise.
Fast feet.
final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the
Next exercise.
High knees.
Buen toma más de
Subscribe for more workouts videos. Thanks for watching.